Welcome this video. Landscape idea for a smart front yard in the Philippines. Landscape front yard is the Philippine main scheme challenge due to limited space but with a bet of create a thoughtful plan. Even a smart area can be transforming into a beautiful, functional, and invite outdoor space in tropical consider like the Philippines, the year-round warm weather and quested provide idea consider for lush gardening, vibrant bloom, and outdoor living. We explored landscape ideas up for front yard year, incorporating locate plants, material, and canvas protective maximizes various space in a year-old space is a platinum, so it's enhanced to think vibrant, versatile gardening allow you to growing plants inward of outward use in pots traditional wall mounted plants or vibrant gardening structure mean bamboo or recycled wood. There are idea hub fine structure and allow plants like which are common and vibrant in the Philippines. Our style gardening not only add gardening but also help keep wall cool and created a relaxed embrace. Perfects for house in Faber area like Moto, City Wall Group, space is often limited. Use natural and minimalize plants like choose natural plants and flower will save time, water and affect well-being are adopting to the climax and requested glass cover some great impact idea for versatile access and tropical vibrant. Often flower Add a sleep appear, bring vibrant color and traditional charm. Bamboo useful to create, provide stream and hub. Great for shaped area and group cover. Those plants are sticking local pet the sun and rain and often requested water, incorporating hardscape elegant. Hardscape to the non-planted elements in your landscape such as pathway sleep or gardening furniture. Use sticking local like abong, stone and bamboo add a natural touch and keep cost down. Consider installing a stone pathway with growing benefit. The stone. This not only add access vibrant but also keep the gardening original and access a smart balcony and bamboo chair can mark the area more functional without task up under space. Add a focal point. Create a focal point. Draw the eyes and mark the space fill for smart front yard. Consider one stand out elegant and maximize waterfront drain or smart fiber pouch. Use natural stone. A stone structure for resisting. A brighting color pouch well task flower plants. Their central stone reflected your personal and central value well enhance the beauty of your yard. Installing light for embrace. Good light transforming a front yard into a choosy even retreat. Use even value LED lights or solar gardening pole. Highlights pathway versatile gardening focal point pristine light lecturing stone light cave